Do it fast and send me the pic after running that program. Otherwise, we have not the facility right now, so you can write on a paper and send me the photo.
Ma'am, I have done, but I cannot send the photo.
Have you done, Shashwat?
Yes, ma'am.
So why are you not able to
Ma'am, I
send the photo?
didn't. Ma'am, I don't know where to send it. Ma'am, do I have to send it on Teams?
Input, sorry. Input. ठीक है, ये मेरे को दिख भी नहीं रहा है इसका, एक मिनट. एंटर वैल्यू. ठीक है, जो भी वैल्यू है आपकी रेडियस की, वो वैल्यू आप इनपुट करवाओगे. देन आफ्टर दैट, ठीक है, इस तरीके से, देन यू कैन कैलकुलेट द एरिया अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, कि एरिया इक्वल्स टू पाई आर स्क्वायर, यानी कि पाई की जो वैल्यू है वो एज इट इज इनटू आर इनटू आर. इन द सेम वे यू विल कैलकुलेट द पाई आर स्क्वायर. इज दैट ओके? फिर उसके बाद प्रिंट तो आप करवा ही सकते हो ना. डू इट ऑल.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Is this visible?
Yes, ma'am.
We are taking one variable here, pi equals to 3.14, because this is the constant value for the pi ना. हम यूजर से कोई different वैल्यू छोड़ना होती है. We are taking a particular constant value from the user. Okay, so we are taking a variable pi. Pi, instead of pi you can write PIE or T, any name you can take. Okay, variable names can be any name you can take for the variable, right? So pi, we are taking pi. In the variable pi, we are assigning that value 3.14. Then after that, we are taking r. R equals to int input. एक value input करवाई आपने r की. What is this r? It means we are taking the radius value. We are asking the radius value from the user. Then after that, in the area variable, we are calculating pi 3.14 into r. Whatever you are assigning the value in r into r into r. Then after that, क्या करोगे उसको? Print करवाओगे कि area equals to area of circle, whatever you want to write. ठीक है, area of, okay, इस तरीके से you can write the area of the circle and print. Is this clear now? Is this clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Kindly note down in your notebook and do the same program in your computer. All of you. Note down fast.
Can you bring the camera a little closer?
I want the output. I want semicolon हो गया, comma हो गया, या फिर कोई bracket हो गया. Okay, these are called the punctuators. Okay, these are the examples of keyword. Here we have already done. कौन सा हमने किया है? अभी सिर्फ print किया है. ठीक है, according to that.
Input
Input.
also.
Input also we have done. ठीक है, these are the keyword. Identifiers. Okay, there are some naming conventions also for the identifiers. Have we discussed in the previous class that कि identifiers के लिए क्या क्या specifications होता है आपका कि an identifier starts with the letter A to Z या तो capital या small letters आप उसको use करोगे. Okay,
We have done
or
this.
n है ना, or n have we done that ना? Underscore and digits.
Mistake किया था.
Okay, okay, fine, right. Literals also we have done कि name equals to Johnny, F name equals to Johnny. Actually I'm revising it once again. ये देखो age equals to 22, 6.2. Then these are the examples of literals. Okay, there are some. Okay. In the previous class, I think we skipped that. We can discuss that also. Literals. Okay, some escape sequences are also there. Okay, escape sequences also there in the literals part. Okay, what do you mean by the escape sequences? Beta, there are some symbols. They always start with the slash, backslash. Okay, they always start with the slash. And if there is, they have some specific meaning, just like this. Okay, if we are giving some slash n, it means if we are giving it with a new line, if we are giving some space of 8 bits, bit or byte, do you know about it? Bit or byte. What is the smallest measurement unit of memory?
Byte.
Byte or
Byte.
bit?
हाँ,
Byte or
होता है.
bit? हाँ, 1 byte is equals to
8 bits.
0 to 4 bits.
8 bits. ठीक है, तो ये आपका 8 bits जितना स्पेस ले लेता है स्लैश टी, और ये क्या करता है, उसको स्पेस छोड़ देता है बीच में. वी विल यूज दैट ऑल्सो. ठीक है, जस्ट लाइक दिस, दीज आर कॉल्ड द एस्केप सीक्वेंसेस, जो मेमोरी में कितना लेते हैं, 1 बाइट एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. ओके, दीज आर द ऑपरेटर्स. इन द ऑपरेटर we have already done. Which one? Arithmetic operator, assignment operator. What is assignment operator, बच्चों? Which one is
Which we
assignment?
can
Which
assign the
assigns a
value
value to.
Like, for example,
equal to.
equal to
equal.
double
Very
equal.
good. Very good. Very good. For equal to a equals to 6, it will equal the assignment operator. Okay, relation operator, greater than, less than, equals to, greater than, equals to. All these examples of relation operators. Okay, then arithmetic operators also we have done. These kind of operators जो 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th है, ये हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे और देखेंगे इसको. Arithmetic operators एक बार हम देख लेते हैं. ठीक है, these are the kind of arithmetic operators. ये देखो, these kind of operating or arithmetic operators we have already done. Plus, minus, slash for the question part. ठीक है, perform क्या क्या slash से क्या होगा? If I am telling about 5 divided by 2, what will be the result after this slash? बताओ क्या result आएगा? 2.5.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, और मल्टीप्लाई से तो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. ओके, 2 डिवाइड बाय 5 डिवाइड बाय 2, मॉड्यूलस से क्या रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा? दिस इज द रिमाइंडर पार्ट. इट विल कैलकुलेट द रिमाइंडर पार्ट 1. इट विल गिव द रिजल्ट अकॉर्डिंग द 2 2 जो 4, 1 इज द रिमाइंडर, तो 1 देगा x के अंदर. फ्लोर डिवीजन में क्या आता है? जो क्वेश्चन पार्ट आता है, इट मींस 2 इट विल गिव. ओके, डबल स्टार मींस द रेज टू द पावर a रेज टू द पावर 2. ठीक है, 5 raised to the power 3, just like this. Okay, chalo. Now in today's class we will discuss only these parts. Wait. Okay, now kindly do the program according to that symbol. Ki floor, according to the floor division, according to the remainder part and according to the quotient part also you need to calculate in your computer right now. Okay, can you do it fast? Okay, take two numbers from the user, then calculate it according to that. Slash multiply that percentage sign. It means for calculating the remainder I want, and the floor division also I want it. Can you do it fast and send me the pic? Do it in your computers. I need to check all these operators. Are you able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do it right now. These four symbols and send me the pic fast. Okay, then after that we are closing that.
Ma'am, which four operators?
Yeah.
And the first
These,
four operators.
no, the last four operators. I'm saying.
Okay, ma'am.
Last four operators. I'm saying. Okay, do it fast. And send me the pic in the chat option of the same meeting.
मैम कैन यू अगेन शो कौन से ऑपरेटर्स थे?
I'm just showing you. These four operators. Is this visible? These
Yes.
four operators. This one. Okay, the percentage, floor division, and the exponentiations. Okay,
And the
these
last one.
first do these three, four. Sorry, this one slash. Okay, multiplication. It means asterisk, percentage, modulus, and the floor division. These four. Okay, do it fast. Do it one by one. If you are able to do. If you are not able to do, then we will do.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay, send me in the chat option only, right? All of you. Yes, send me in the chat option only. Okay, you can send it me there, all of you. Okay, this is your homework. Then in the next class, we will discuss all these things. I will check your all these programs. Okay, whatever I'm just giving you. Okay, now we can leave. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bachcho.
थैंक यू मैम.
Hmm. Leap fast.